We've got an update on Tesla in California, and boy, this is a little bit mind-blowing, but folks, Tesla is now announcing that their global head of engineering is actually getting placed in California, in Palo Alto, a place where you can't buy a good home, for less than $3 million. My son happens to like Palo Alto because I took him there once, and their playgrounds are amazing because they got a lot of money over there. And so why the hell would Tesla build a build basically an engineering workshop, more like an engineering headquarters? Why would they put an engineering headquarters in Palo Alto, California? Well, Elon Musk explained this directly, and essentially the idea is that there is a lot of engineering talent in San Francisco. And this makes a lot of sense. In fact, I'm gonna grab something from JP Morgan Asset Management and some research that they put together in just the last couple days. And this is the kind of stuff I do, okay? I sit here and I read research. This is an 81-page report. And on page 64 of that 81-page report, take a look at this. Number of unicorns, in other words, smaller companies that are very innovative and get a lot of private equity money, a lot of investments, a lot of dollars, have a lot of skilled employees. Look at the number of unicorns by city. This video is sponsored by the programs on building your wealth, linked down below, and the experience to shadow me if you'd like to do that in person. Check out all of that, linked down below. You get lifetime access to all of the content, the course member live streams, and new information that's regularly added. From the point of view of private equity markets, and what do you have? Most of them are in San Francisco, about 50% more than the next highest city in New York. Now, this is a piece on China, and this particular piece talks about how like Shanghai and Beijing are catching up, and they are. That's really a topic for a different video though, but it's very interesting because as much as people bag on California, if you want AI investment, venture capital money, San Francisco is the best place for that at this point. You know, other areas are coming up. You got the Silicon Slopes in Utah. You've got New York. You've got Miami. You've got Austin, which is trying to become an area. I think Miami, they call it Silicon Beach, Silicon Slopes, Utah, right? Silicon Valley, obviously, San Francisco and such. But it's very interesting to me because Tesla made it clear they've got 47,000 direct employees in California, and Elon Musk made it very clear that Tesla Fremont is the most productive automotive factory in North America. Now, that will change. Elon Musk here is trying to be complimentary to Tesla, or to California, and I'm going to give you my thesis on exactly why that's happening. But that's true for now. It won't be much longer because the most productive factory in North America will probably be in Northeast Mexico or the Giga Texas, right? And that's also where the Tesla headquarters are. But the headquarters of just engineering are going to be in California. And this facility will employ about 1,400 engineers. And what I thought was really interesting about this is, also it's worth noting that NVIDIA, which just smashed earnings, phenomenal earnings, huge player in not only autonomy, but also in AI, artificial intelligence data centers, cloud-based artificial intelligence, but also it just smashed earnings. I mean, absolutely incredible. They're talking about an inflection point in AI, but they also are a massive automotive player. NVIDIA is, right? In that they're trying to sell basically systems on chips to companies like Mercedes so they can actually more effectively conduct software updates. Right now, only about 31% of Mercedes recalls, according to Forbes, are done over the air, whereas 99% of Tesla's recalls are solved via an over-the-air update. And NVIDIA actually provides a lot of the backbone for a lot of other automotive companies, whether it's whether it's NIO, Mercedes, Volkswagen. They provide the backbone for a lot of the chip technology. And guess where NVIDIA is located? Santa Clara, the Valley, right? Up by San Jose, San Francisco. Like this is the AI hub. Like, say what you want about California, that's the AI hub. I just flew from San Diego to Ventura, California yesterday. We got to fly along the coastline, and then we crossed above Malibu and saw all the crazy homes and everything from a pretty relatively low altitude. Gorgeous. Like, California's freaking beautiful. But the point is, NorCal is fantastic for the AI, autonomy, and engineering world. Now, maybe that'll change. A lot of work from home is changing that and messing things up, but there's nothing like the in-person startup culture. That's why with my startup, we require anyone who's being hired, new hire, they've got to work with us in person. Come travel with us, work with us, be with us. There's a massive difference in a startup culture. So I think really what Elon here is doing is twofolded. Number one, it's trying to foster the startup culture to always be at the front of innovation. There's no better place for AI innovation, in my opinion, and clearly Elon Musk at least somewhat agrees with this, NorCal. Now, the second thing that's very interesting, because, Gavin Newsom tried to turn this into like a politics thing, and he's like, we've got more jobs in California, we've got more hunting jobs, more fishing jobs, we've got more manufacturing in California than any other state. Elon's response to that line was fantastic. Elon's like, well, it is a big state. and he's basically kind of saying like, dude, Gavin Newsom, like, stop stroking yourself, okay? That has nothing to do with you. You have the highest population out here. Of course, you have the highest amount of jobs in all these various different sectors. Fantastic quip back from Elon Musk. But here's the 4D-Chess move, in my opinion. Elon Musk has also very clearly aligned himself with Texas and Republicans for manufacturing and manufacturing freedoms, right? That's obviously very, and sort of freedom of information via Twitter. Big fan of aligning himself with Republicans, right? That's been, whether that was intentional or not, he's done a phenomenal job over the last year of basically being the greatest Republican advocate ever, okay? Obviously, from a political point of view, people on the left do not really like Elon Musk right now. Look at what Elon Musk just did by employing about 1.4% of Tesla folks, engineers, at a new headquarters in California, creating potentially new jobs, although we don't even know those are gonna be new jobs. People could just be moving from their current old headquarters into that headquarters, right? So they might not even be new jobs. It could have literally been as simple as Elon Musk like signing a lease and then moving 1,400 people to a new engineering headquarters, which is like kind of a bullshit line anyway. It's like, okay, like you had an engineering department there anyway. Now you're just signing a new lease and calling it the engineering headquarters, right? like come on, this is a 4D chess move. You know what the 4D chess move is? To make Democrats like him again. It's freaking brilliant. Elon Musk was just at the White House, shaking hands with Biden, folks at the transportation department. Why? It's so they can get billions of dollars of tax credits to expand the Tesla supercharging network in exchange for slowly, in a way that doesn't affect congestion, although I think it will affect congestion. Really, that's just sort of me kind of being a little skeptical and jaded. But anyway, that's because I'm a Tesla owner, right? So obviously, like, I don't want other people at the charging stations because I don't want to wait. That's me being selfish. Okay, but anyway, Elon Musk working with the White House to build billions of dollars more of charging infrastructure is great. Why? Because it gives Tesla billions of dollars to make the greatest charging network even greater and even better and even more innovative. But that also makes the Biden administration shout out Elon Musk and Tesla about how great they're being for sustainability and climate change, something Democrats like. So Republicans, we got enough Republican Elon Musk, right? We had enough of that in 2022. Now he's playing the other side. Hey, yeah, give us billions of dollars in tax credits and we'll expand our charging network and we'll let y'all plug in. And don't worry, we'll charge you Democrats who don't drive Teslas more money to charge at our stations. But oh well, we'll take the billions of dollars of tax credit. Freaking brilliant. This guy's a genius. He's playing both sides. Elon Musk is brilliant. Now, he goes to Gavin Newsom, the epitome of the left, the poster boy of failed schools, failed homelessness, failed mental health education, a failure of a state. They will send stimulus checks to people making $500,000. No joke, look it up. $500,000 people, households making up to $500,000 in October of 2022 got stimulus checks rather than actually making the appropriate investments into the state that needs it most, actually trying to make California more competitive again. Jeez, Lord. That guy, why would Elon Musk go talk to that guy and quip back at how great California actually is by actually kind of trying to undercut Gavin Newsom in like at the perfect moments? Why is he announcing this? Because again, Gavin Newsom's the poster boy of the left, And even though Elon Musk might not actually be doing anything special or unique, it makes it feel that way. Hey, let's have an event. Let's celebrate the signing of this new leasehold interest that we have in NorCal. We're going to move some engineers over here. It's great. Gavin Newsom's like, oh, I wish we could be cutting a ribbon right now. Oh, yeah. And Elon Musk's like, he's such a dummy. And in the meantime, guess what? Now all of a sudden the lefties who hate Elon Musk are like, damn, Elon Musk's helping out Biden. He's helping out Newsom. He's coming back to California. Yeah, California's great. Yeah, well, yeah. This is great. It's like, he just opened up the demographic again. He's bringing Democrats back to Tesla. This guy is absolutely freaking brilliant. Okay, like he realized he went a little too far, went a little too right last year, and now he's flip-flopping to the other side, not in a way that insults the right. Okay, nobody on the right, in my opinion, is insulted by Elon Musk going to the Biden administration, getting billions of dollars in tax credits to expand the supercharger network. Like, that's not offensive to the right. Okay, you're putting 1,400 jobs that may already be there in NorCal. That's not offensive to the right. But it's like a boner to the left. It's like this is look. Elon is brilliant. This is like the biggest 4D chess move, and it is so perfect, coming right on the backs of all like the Twitter files and all that drama. It's like, damn. That guy, okay, that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. He's brilliant. All right, enough of that. enough of that, because I'm gonna get enough comments of people being like, okay, Kevin, just get on your knees for Elon. Like, come on, man. I think you could be on either side and be looking at this going, yeah, no, you're not wrong, Kevin, but still get on your knees. Okay. Oh dear Lord. Oh, I'm having too much fun with this. Supposed to be going to the course member live stream here soon. We've got a new flash sale, by the way, in inspiration of the Tesla Investor Day coming up on March 1st. So if you're looking for lifetime access to the programs on Building Your Wealth, great pricing, check out that link down below. Any of the programs, most popular right now is the Stocks and Psychology Money Group. A lot of folks joining that pretty regularly. And then, of course, the Zero to Millionaire Real Estate Investing course. I think that's partly in part because I think it's pretty clear real estate or stocks are likely on an upward trend while real estate is still on its downtrend. We're going to get that delayed cycle, which is pretty well expected right now for